Hi there, my name is Lisa Guzman. I'm here at National Hardware, and I want to welcome you to Mystery Solved. We're going to have an edition that customers come in and they just don't know why something's not working. We had a customer come in. He bought a brand new faucet. He was getting ready to hook it up. Mom's going to be happy about that. He got to the supply line, and when he went to hook it onto this angle valve, it wouldn't go. Well, he thought it's an easy fix. We have something small, had to go to something bigger. Went to his local hardware store and ended up getting a part, very simple, went home, and it just wasn't quite right. Now we're after hours. Something that we're going to recommend is that you do not start any project after 3 o'clock. That's Gus's little coyote trick there, because you don't know what may happen, especially when it comes to plumbing. Nobody wants to have a plumber that's after hours, trust me. So at any rate, as in other segments, we've talked about taking pictures, bringing parts in, measuring with your tape measure and be exact what you're looking at. The customer that came in, Kua, told me, hey, it's measuring 3/4 inch, and then the part that I picked up just didn't work. He happened to send me a photo. We were troubleshooting over the phone, actually. So as we text message and I looked at his package, I realized that it was not 1/2 inch pipe, it was 1/2 inch OD. So terminology is very important. Iron pipe versus tubing sizes are completely different. And here again, 3/4 inch was what he told me, but it was 1/2 inch pipe. It was such an easy solution. I said, come on in here and I'll tell you what it is. He picked up 2. We went from 1/2 inch iron pipe to 3/8 compression. The sink was done. Cheap insurance also was to have a little bit of Teflon tape. Save the day. He had it done in less than probably 15 minutes. So once again, welcome to Mystery Solved at National Hardware.